Hey guys, Jacqueline Fernandez here at the Alert Center. Thank you so much for joining me again today. This afternoon, we're chatting a little bit about the Nebraska Supreme Court's decision that they made regarding voting rights for felons. So today, the court ruled that people with felonies can now vote, but there's a caveat, as long as they have completed their entire sentence. So this is something that we've been following very closely on 6 News online and on air as well. We do have this story available for you on our website, so I'm going to head over there real quick. You can always go there for more information on this story and several others. It's WOWT.com. So here's this story for you. I'll play out this short video. It's about 30 seconds. But a release from the ACLU did say that those with felonies, quote, will be able to register to vote immediately so long as they're otherwise
a recently
eligible.
passed
So
law
that's
allowing felons to vote
morning,
unconstitutional, saying
now,
only the
Attorney
Pardons
General
Board can
Mike
allow
Helgers
it. This
did
is a
order
90-page opinion from the court, and we are working our way through it. Look for more information coming up in our midday newscast at 11. We'll see you
to
then.
have felons vote. So, according to the court, though, the AG's argument does not present a, quote, clear case of unconstitutionality. So clearly the timing of this decision is key as voter registration deadlines are approaching. We will get to that in just a second. Here's the conclusion you can read. That is on our website. We have there's the decision as well. We have a couple links I'm going to head to. Reaction, this is great, so you can check that out. I'll save that as a web extra, along with the report as a web extra as well at WOWT.com. So here's the entire report you can take a look at and peruse at your leisure. It looks like it's a long one. Let's see how many pages this report is. Okay, so it's about 90 pages. So feel free to do that. I won't bore you by going through all the details, but if you'd like to, go right ahead. Again, that is on our website, WOWT.com. So let's chat about voter registration. So the deadlines are approaching, right, for Sarpy and Douglas County. This is something that we do want to keep you aware of. So for both Douglas and Sarpy counties, the last day to register to vote via mail, online, the DMV, or by submitting information via person other than yourself is Friday, October 18th, okay? So keep that deadline front and center. You know, I don't like to tell people if you miss the deadline, you can still register in person, but you can. That's Friday, October 25th, okay? So we do have those in-person registration options available for you on our website. Here's the location in Douglas County, so you can click here and this will give you a larger map, kind of show you where that is. We head back to our website here, and here's another place where you can register to vote in person in Papillion for you. So we do have those links available for you on our website as well. Okay, so also keep in mind Nebraska's new voter ID law, okay? So you must provide, I'm gonna highlight that, must provide a valid photo ID before voting. And these are what is accepted in the state of Nebraska. So you have the driver's license, your state ID, passport, military ID, tribal ID, hospital, immediate care facility, assisted living facility, or nursing home record, okay? Also, political subdivision ID and college or university ID. Those will get you through the door and allow you to vote come election day or allow you to register, etc. So I also, let me see here. Yeah, here's the online voter registration. So if you are able to go online at home, I would recommend this way. It's really easy. I registered online when I first moved to Omaha, Nebraska myself. So they kind of have this, you know, continue. They take you through this list here, right? So they want to make sure you're eligible, give them your personal information, your current address, you know, so confirm your eligibility, and you kind of just go through this to make sure that you are ready and indeed prepared to vote come election day. Again, clearly right around the corner, so we want to make sure you are prepared for that. So I'm just going to refresh our web page for you here. And these are the top stories that we're following today and this afternoon. In the meantime, though, I do want to chat a little bit about our weather. It's been pretty wacky out there, right? So, I mean, we went through experiencing, at least I would say, summer in autumn. And it looks like this morning things really cooled down a lot. I don't know, I was kind of shivering when I was out there walking my dog Ollie. Perhaps you were too. But it appears that we're going to have another summer and autumn event here coming up. But let me just kind of run you through a quick look at what Senior Chief Meteorologist Rusty Lord says we have in store coming our way. So let's take a look from our Children's Nebraska cam real quick. Again, just reiterating, Rusty says the coldest morning since April was what we got to start the day today, and a widespread freeze did happen. Also of note, high fire danger the rest of the week with gusty wind and dry conditions out there. Not time to light any fires. Remember, don't throw out your cigarette butts if you're on the highway or just, driving through the street. Not a good idea. Today, sunny and breezy, a high of 66. So a beautiful autumnal day out there, I'll say. And let's head over to 144th and Dodge. Rusty says tonight clear and cool, a low of 43, so not too bad. And then here's where I would argue summer is not done with us yet. So Thursday, mostly sunny and windy, a high of 75. 75 I think is going to be great. Anything higher than that and I got a little too hot personally, but Okay, let's take a look at 90th and Dodge here for you. Awesome. Traffic seemingly flowing smoothly. Again, the noon hours, so a little bit more cars on the road than perhaps what we saw earlier today. Friday, partly cloudy, windy, a high of 78, right? So that is, it's like you put the sweaters away for summer, and then you put your summer clothes away, and then you need to take them out again. Something that I'm learning is pretty par for the course here in the Nebraska area. So make sure you've got all your weather gear ready, right? So you still need those like flip-flops and tank tops on one end, and then you need the sweaters and boots on another. So that's just, again, as I mentioned, par for the course. In the meantime, I just want to say thank you so much for joining me at the Alert Center. We will have more on this story and others coming up on our first broadcast, 1 to 3, with our Dave Zavolinsky. Until then, have a wonderful day.